What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's new video on how to buy the Onyxcoin on Coinbase. So for the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, you can simply sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So definitely do that. After that you can sign in to your Coinbase account, and once you have done that you will arrive at this homepage. And for the next step we will go to the search bar and type in XCN, and there you will see the Onyxcoin. Just click on it. Now you will arrive at the Onyxcoin page, and I will show you a big tip. You can save a lot of money on your transaction fees. Every time you will buy crypto on Coinbase, you will pay a certain amount of transaction fee. If you want to save this amount, you can use the Coinbase One subscription and you will save a lot of transaction fees. But we want to buy this coin, so we will type in the amount of fiat we would like to use to buy this coin. And after that, you can simply select your payment method. If you click on this button, you can change your payment method. I will leave it on my credit card. And after this, you can simply click on review order. Now this page will open, and here you can see we are paying 38 euros of transaction fee for this order. You can simply save this by using the Coinbase One subscription. You will get 7 days for free. So definitely try that out and save yourself a lot of money. For the next step, we just simply click on buy now once we want to buy these coins. And if you have done that, the coins will be automatically added to your assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!